Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, it's that time of year again when the weather's getting colder and the days have gotten shorter. And if you listen really closely, you just might hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring ting tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for the 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas. That's right, we're starting a contest tomorrow. Today's the announcement. Tomorrow starts 12 days of giveaways on the channel, and it's my favorite time of year by far because I get a chance to be a little bit goofy, have a little bit of fun, and give some prizes away to followers on the channel. Now, we do this every year, and it's an incredibly simple process. We're lucky to have worked with a lot of big manufacturers that really support the channel, and a lot of them have donated products that we're going to be giving away over the next 12 days. So make sure you pay attention to the channel at least over these next 12 days to enter these contests because it couldn't be simpler. Basically, I'll post a video and talk about the prize we're giving away that day. Down below in the description, there'll be a link. Hit the link, enter your email. After 7 days, we'll pull a random name out of all the entries we've got. We'll send you an email and say, good news, you won the contest. Send us your address and we'll mail you the product. And there's no strings attached. We don't want anything from you. We don't ask for anything. We basically put the thing in a box and ship it off to you. You can open it up and just have a whole lot of fun over the holidays. And boy, I gotta tell you, the prizes this year are absolutely amazing. We've had some really good luck. We've had some great support from our distributors and from our manufacturers. So I can't wait to get started on this. Now again, today's the announcement. Set your clocks for the next 12 days to make sure you stop back to the channel. Matter of fact, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and join the Drone Valley family and turn the bell on. That way you'll know the minute I upload a clip, ding, the bell will go off and you can run over to the site and you can enter the contest. But again, I have to say this, I am so appreciative of the support we've seen from everybody out there over the years. And I just love giving back. This is a great time for me to lock myself in the studio, just have a whole lot of fun. I'll sing a little bit, I'll tell some jokes. I might even work a riddle in or two, but make sure you pay attention to the channel. And again, these prizes are cool. Some of them fly. Some of them you plug into the wall. Others you can use to capture video and audio. It's an incredibly good mix of products. So you definitely want to be part of that. And again, thank you to everybody out there that supported the channel over the year. And I can't wait to get started. So starting tomorrow, tune in. You'll see all of the prizes we're giving away. And you're just going to have a whole lot of fun over the holidays because I love giving back. And if this brings a little bit of joy into anybody's life over the holidays, we've done our job. So thanks again for watching. And until next time, as always, happy flying.